Hello everyone, welcome to Apex Labs. This is the third session of Field Service Lightning, and in this session we will discuss about the status transitions for service appointments in field service. So let us understand what are the status transitions which are allowed in field service. So from the app launcher we'll select field service settings, and then we will go to the field service settings of field service. While it is loading, let me open other tabs as well, so that I could explain you how the transitions work. So here we have the field service settings opening up, and then we'll go to the service appointment object, so that we could understand how the transitions of the service appointments would happen in our environment. Yeah, so we have this opened up as of now, the field service settings, and then we will go to service appointment lifecycle. Now once we go to the service appointment lifecycle, you could see the status transitions tab here. So these status transitions are the ones which control the status transition of service appointments status values. So for example, here you could see that the values which are allowed are scheduled to cancel, dispatch to in progress to completed, scheduled to none, in progress to cannot complete. So these are the status transitions which are allowed in the system. So suppose your service appointment is in dispatch status, then the only status transitions which are allowed as per this particular flow is from dispatched you can go to cancelled, and from dispatched you could go to in progress. Now if you would like to go on from dispatched to completed, then that won't be allowed, because the status transitions which have been defined in the settings does not allow that. We can also see a demo of it. So for this I would like to go to the service appointments. Now I'm opening up one of the service appointment, for example the service appointment which we have right now on the screen. If I try to change its status to say completed, then I would be getting an error messages. So yeah, you can see that cannot change the status from dispatch to completed. But suppose we have a requirement that we should allow the system to, so that any user could change this status from dispatch to completed, then what we will do is that we'll go to the status transitions tab, and then we'll click on add flow, and then we'll add one more transition, that is from dispatched we will allow it to completed, and that's it, and then we will save it. So once you save these changes, you will observe that the flow would have got revised, and see, you can see that the flow has got updated, and from dispatched the completed status has also been allowed. So now this has been allowed, so let's test it. So we'll again refresh the service appointment which we were just testing it, and then now we'll try to change its status from dispatched to completed, and now let's observe whether this is allowed or not. So let the page load. Yeah, now I would like to go to the status, and then I would change the status to completed. So yeah, you saw this, that the status change has been successfully completed and there has not been any error. So this is being controlled by the service appointment life cycle and the status transitions. So how to reach that, I'm showing it once again. You need to go to field service settings, and then you need to go to service appointment life cycle. Then you will have another tab which is the status transitions, and there you can define what are the status transitions which are allowed in field service, and here you can modify whatever you want. You can delete it, also add others. Yeah, that's all for this session. Thanks for joining in. If you like this session, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.